Let's start from here. All these things you've written now, you are the one that know what you've written. But if you send it to me, I will not read it right the way you've written it down. To you now, you've written ọkọ mi, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́, but this is not what you've written. If I am to read it very well.
Okay.
Because of the tonal marks on top. Àmìn ohùn, àwọn àmìn ohùn tó wà lórí wọn kò tọ́.
Okay.
Tá bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àmìn ohùn. Àmìn ohùn. We have 3 tonal marks in Yorùbá. Àmìn ohùn mẹ́ta la ní. A ní do. Do. This is the symbol. Do. Then we have re. This is the symbol. Then we have mi. This is the symbol. Do, re, mi. So in Yoruba alphabet, we also have a consonant sound and vowel sound in Yoruba. Consonant àti vowel. The vowel sound, they are 7 in numbers. They are a, e, I, o, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 méje. Now all these ones now, whenever you find them in a word or sentence, you have to what they can carry tonal marks. Wọ́n lè ní àmì ohùn lórí. Àwọn nìkan tẹ́ bá ń rí bí rí fún bí àpẹẹrẹ, this one is just consonants.
Yeah,
so it cannot carry anything. But there are 2 consonant sounds that can also carry tonal marks tó lè ní àmì ohùn lórí.
Okay.
And they are mi and ni. They can have in some instances, like for instance now, fún bí àpẹẹrẹ, when you say nǹkan, you know that the only vowel here is a. So, and this a now does not have any, it's re. The tonal marks on this a is re. Then the tonal marks, then the only one that can be visible there is do. Nǹkan. Then how would you now know that this is how to pronounce this, or this is the kind of tonal marks on this? But before I go there, whenever re, the tonal marks re, gbogbo ibi tó bá ti hàn, you won't put anything on top. Anything you can see, it will be null. Kò ní sí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó máa ṣòfò lórí ẹ̀. Fún bí àpẹẹrẹ ṣe ìta ṣe mí báyìí.
It's not needed.
Kò nílò.
Okay.
We don't need it there. So how would you know? It's by pronouncing that particular word inside. Ẹ máa pè sínú. Fún bí àpẹẹrẹ nǹkan yìí lè ta kan sìn. Ẹ bá pè sí. You hear it from within. That's the tonal marks. It will be sounding in your head. That's re, do, re. Then another way that it will make it more easier for you to actually know the tonal marks on top. Láti mọ àmì ohùn yẹn, nǹkan tó máa jẹ́ kó rọrùn is by breaking it into syllable. Breaking the word into syllable. Syllable ni ègbé ọ̀rọ̀ tí èmi lè gbé jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo. So how many syllables does this have? How would you know?
Kan. 2.
Kan. That's 3. That's 3. That means in each syllable, there must be at least one tonal marks on top of that vowel sound. Now let's go to what you have written earlier.
Okay.
Ọkọ mi, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀. Now let's just write it in words without putting the àmì ohùn first. Then ọkọ mi, mo, ní, ìfẹ́, rẹ. Now, to make it easy for you to put the tonal marks, now the syllable first. Apply the rule. The syllable on this is o, ko.
Two.
This is a vowel sound. This also is a vowel sound. This is consonant sound.
Okay.
So how would you put the tonal marks? O, ko.
Ni.
Pronounce it inside. Be patient. Pronounce it calmly. Calm down.
Re. Ni.
Pronounce it very well. Just calm down. You will get it.
Wait.
What sound is that?
Do.
Do. No, pronounce these three
Do,
sounds.
re, mi.
Pronounce it inside. Say it inside. Have you mastered it inside?
O, ko.
Then now pronounce this o, ko.
Re, mi. Re, mi.
It's re, re.
Two of them sound alike. Is interesting.
Re. Now pronounce this o, ko with that re tonal mark inside.
Sounds the same.
Now, if we now put another tonal mark on this o, ko now, like can you pronounce this? Pronounce. Do you know that this tonal mark is do?
Do, yeah.
Now pronounce it. Pronounce this word inside with the tonal marks. Or you pronounce it as
O, ko.
o, ko. You know that now. What's the difference now? The difference is the tonal marks that is on top.
Yes.
Because it is the same spelling. Now, if instead of writing this now, if you now put this here,
It's not the same.
that means you are passing a wrong message to that person. This oko now is spell. You know spell?
Oko.
Oko. That is spell.
Okay.
That's spell that they used to use during the war.
Alright.
So the same with this, same with this, same with this, same with this, same with this. This one is just one syllable.
Re.
Re. Then this one also.
No. Wait. Do.
Mo.
Re.
Re. Then ni.
Mi.
Me. Then you put me on top. Then this one too. Ife.
Yeah.
This one too is not one syllable. It has how many syllables? I.
Fair.
Then what's the tonal mark on top? Àmì ohùn ló máa wà lórí ẹ̀.
I didn't plan for this. Okay. Re. Re. I'm coming now. I'm trying to digest the two things. Ìfẹ́. Mi.
You know, when you are lost, Go back to the tonal marks and pronounce it deeply, like let it be sharp. Do, re, mi,
Do. Fe. Do, re.
The sound is coming out. It's coming. I can hear it.
Mi.
Do, mi. You realize that the way it sounds inside is the way it sounds when you pronounce it out. So it is do, mi. Then this one also is just one syllable. Re. So
Money fair. Re.
so what's the àmìn ohùn on top of this one?
Re.
Re. Re. Ọkọ mi ní ìfẹ́.
Fair. Re.
So assuming you wrote all this, you now send it to someone without all these tonal marks, how would the person read it? The person cannot decode the message you are trying to send to him or her. That means you'll be stressing that person or giving that person a wrong perception of your intention. Ẹni ò ní rí kàdáda ẹ kàn máa fún ní igbó dúdú ẹ máa fún sán.
Let me try this. Arákùnrin. Let me first bring it down to the syllable.
Let us write it. Let me
Okay.
clean this.
No clean. Just let's use here.
Okay, let's.
We are done with that one. This is my first time of learning this. Jẹ́ ọkùnrin dáadáa. Sign that is out. Arákùnrin. Arákùnrin.
You are getting it. That's the first method.
Okay. Mi.
Put it now.
Do.
Where do you want to put do?
Do now.
Where?
Yeah, no.
Where do you want to put me? Why did you put me here?
Yeah,
And you now come back to come and put do here. So what's the tonal mark? Kí ni àmìn ohùn tó wà lórí rẹ̀?
Mi. Do.
Do it again.
Mi.
Now, when you know that you've segmented it.
Yes.
Ó ti wà ní syllable kọ̀ọ̀kan báyìí.
Yeah.
Now, when you now want to pronounce it, don't rush.
Okay.
In pronouncing, you will now be pronouncing each syllable. A, ra, kun, rin. Do you understand? Not that you now be. Don't rush it.
Do.
Don't forget that this is the tonal mark.
Okay.
Àmì ohùn lélẹ̀. Do, re, mi. So when you are pronouncing it, you have to have this
Tonation, a mark.
tonation mark or tonal mark. You have to have it at the back of your mind. You have to pronounce it together with this. Like it must carry any of these tonal marks.
Okay. Yeah, now do it.
A, re,
Re.
re,
Okay.
ra.
But it's like ara, ah. That is like ah. Supposed to be like. Okay, is it re?
Okay, let's do it like this. That's this re. Now, when you want to pronounce this a now. Now.
Umit. Re. Re.
Ra.
Wait. Mi. Kun. Do. Re. Re.
Then.
Tolúlọpẹ́. To. Do. To. Let me omit. Do. Re. To. Okay. Re.
Is re.
Lu.
Ah, ní fi hàn kan sórí ẹ̀.
Lu. Mi. Do. Is it or
Lọ.
Lo. Mi.
Lọ.
Mi.
Lọ.
Re.
Re. Then the last one.
Pe. Re. You're the one distracting me.
How?
Where? Let me omit. Tolúlọpẹ́. Mi.
Now, does it make sense like that?
No. Yes.
Arákùnrin Tolúlọpẹ́.
Jẹ́. Mi. Ọkùnrin. Re. Kun. Mi. Re. Do. No. Kun. Do. Re. Re.
Ọkùnrin.
Da.
How many syllables does this have?
Two.
Is it two?
Da.
So what about the remaining one?
Sorry. Da. It's not da.
Da.
I can't separate this one again. Then it's two. Da.
No.
Da.
Da. The you know that the now is twice, appear twice. Though it will be stressed.
Okay.
You know, when you pronounce da, it's not just this. No.
Okay.
This is another thing entirely. So it has not complete. This is da.
What do you say? That like the way I wrote it now, it's the same, Abi?
No, it's remain one.
Somebody can see.
This is dada. This is dada. Dore. Dada. Then it's different from this one. Da. It is actually dara.
It's not re.
No. It is this is actually dara.
Okay.
Dara.
Okay.
So what you met on the board earlier before we erase it called Isoki.
Okay.
That is Sokioro. That is Sokioro is what has happened to this that made it to become this. So we want to shorten it instead of now saying dara. You know, dara
stressful.
Is. So we now remove this ri and this ri. We now put this together. It now become da. You understand? So it is
re.
It's okay. It's why like word contraction.
Okay.
Contraction has happened. So we've contracted it to
just like baba mi, ba mi.
Baba mi, ba mi.
Ba mi, baba mi.
Now this is ba mi.
Okay.
Domire. Ba mi. So this da now.
Yeah.
So what's the tonal? What's the tonal?
Da. This one, Abi.
This one. Da.
Re.
Da.
Da.
Da. Da.
Mi. Da. Mi. Re.
Then remain this.
I will say
Aina.
Da. Da. This one. Can't we skip it? Oh yeah, pronounce it.
Da.
Mi. Re. Mi.
Da.
I'm tired.
It's the same thing now. It's
Mary.
da. You know that àti pín sí syllable.
Remi.
Àti pín sí syllable already. Tó bá wá fẹ́ fi àmì ohùn sí orí ẹ̀ kí la máa ṣe? Bá a ṣe pín sí syllable yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ la ṣe máa pè é. A ní kánjú pé bí a ṣe máa pè lásán mọ́. Torí báyìí a fẹ́ fi àmì ohùn sí lórí. Nígbà tó jẹ́ pé èyàn ò tí ì di you have not become an expert.
Yeah.
So you have to say it calmly. You don't have to rush it.
Okay.
So it will now be the first. This is the first syllable, second syllable, then third, then fourth. Then you have to pronounce the first syllable word first. Da. That is me. Then the second one is a. Da.
Re.
That is re. Then the third one is da.
Me.
Again me. Then a. Re.
Okay. So why am I not getting? I'll get it.
It's because you are not used to it.
It's small. It's actually my first time.
So that is it.
Okay. Mo jẹ́ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ní kíláàsì mo sì rí dájú wípé mo mọ̀ ọ́ dáradára.
Kí ni ẹ mọ̀ dáradára?
Ṣé n tún kọ? Eléyìí ò correct o.
Kí ni ẹ mọ̀ dáradára?
Èwo?
Kí ni ẹ mọ̀ dáradára?
Ẹ̀mọ́ ẹ̀ wípé mo mọ̀
Mo jẹ́ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ní kíláàsì yìí. Mo sì rí.
dájú wípé. Okay.
Mo sì rí.
Dájú wípé. Mo sì rí dájú wípé mo mọ̀ ọ́ dáadáa.
Kí ni ẹ̀ ń kọ́ tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ dáadáa?
Mo ń kọ́ gbédèmàsà. Mo ń kọ́.
A lè sọ pé mò ń
kọ́ gbédèmàsà.
Ẹ̀kọ́.
Ní ọwọ́ ojúlówó Yorùbá.
Dáadáa.
Let me put.
Tábà ní pé ká kọ kíní sí bíbá kò ní gbà mọ́ lọ́wọ́ ojúlówó Yorùbá, kò ní gbà mọ́. Mo.
Re.
No, this is me.
Okay.
When re appears, don't bother putting anything. Then this one is not a.
Okay.
You put dots.
Dots. Re. Mo. Mi.
Me.
Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Then the spelling of this is wrong. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
I should divide it. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Kọ́. That's where it should be. Then, okay, I put it.
Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Say it again. Do. Do. Mi. Re.
And this one.
Me. Will I pronounce this one together?
No.
Ko.
You've not put the.
Me, Abi.
Me. No, now. It's on top.
Okay.
You put tonal marks on top.
Ko. Do. Re.
Ko.
Re.
Ko.
Do.
Put do on. Put do.
Me. Then that's this one. Okay.
Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Okay. Ni. Mi. Kíláàsì.
Kíláàsì yìí is not the
right word.
It's not the direct Yorùbá. It's like I don't know. Àyálò èdè ni.
Okay.
Tàbá ní ká pa a máa tún kọ nìyẹn.
Kí ni wá ní kíláàsì?
Torí
Iléèwé.
Yàrá ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí.
Okay, yàrá ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ní ó ti gùn jù o. Yàrá ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
àwọn ẹja tó ń kọ.
Okay. Ní yàrá. Re mi. Do mi.
No, it's the a that we. That's the vowel.
Vowel. Sorry. Ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Do.
This ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sílébù mélòó ni ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí ni?
Ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Hey, kí n kọ́ tẹ́ fúnra mi. Mi. Re. Do. Mi.
Mi.
Kọ̀. Re. Kọ̀. Mi. Do. Re. Mi.
Ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Like the way it sounds, that's the.
I will follow it.
That's how you follow it. It's just, it's natural.
Okay.
It's natural. Yi. Yi. Yi.
Remi. Yi. Mi.
Sílébù mélòó ló wà nínú?
Yi. Mi.
Yi. Yi.
Do mi.
This is yi. Do mi.
What's this?
Mo.
Re.
You know, it has nothing on top.
That's a dog.
Let it be empty. Si.
Mo si. Si. Do.
Do.
Mo si ri.
Ri.
Re.
It should be empty.
Should be empty. Okay. Dájú. Àbí? Dájú. Mi. Hey, are you proud?
You are improving. You are better than.
The way I came is not the way I'm going to live here. The way I came, I'm not going to live like that.
You are better than.
Wípé. Òṣì. I'm sure it's that. Pé. Rí. Wí. Re, mi.
You too, that remi that you said. Oh yeah, pronounce it with this word. Does it make then what's the right with what you want to with what you are trying to pronounce? What is the right tonal mark that's supposed to be on top?
Mi. Re. Mi, re. She, re, pronounce it.
We pe
Do, re, do, mi. Do, mi.
that do me. Should I pronounce it for you? We pe
Do, re.
we pe
We, pe.
we pe.
Yes.
What's the àmìn ohùn for we pe?
We, re, mi, re.
We pe
Mi, do.
we pe
We, mi.
we pe we pe. That is it.
It's interesting, no?
We pe
Mi.
me.
Mo.
Mo.
Mo rí pé mo do. Mo rí pé mo re. Mo rí pé mo do.
That is the do is but that is not
That's the
mo.
mi.
See, do is like, how would I put it? There's a kind they taught in English. They taught, I think they taught something like this in there's something that one goes high, then
And
one
falling
come rising and falling. The do rises.
Rises. Okay.
Then me falls. So you see that now this mo now it goes high.
Up. This one is falling.
Then this one now fall.
Mo rí dájú wípé mo re.
When you pronounce it in, you know maybe it goes up or it comes down. Then if it comes down, it is me. If it goes up, it is do. Mo. Then
Ko.
this.
Ko.
Does it goes down or up?
Wait, mo dájú pé mo ko do. Ko. No, it's not. I'm correcting my teacher. Mo re.
Me. Ko. Me. Ko.
This is difficult.
It's actually easy. It's not difficult. Once you understand the formula,
Do.
it's ko me. It's force. Ko.
When I do like this, ko.
Wait.
Ko.
At the bottom.
Yeah, re.
No, you don't have to put anything. Re is neutral.
Okay.
It's
What if
neutral.
I also ko?
Ko, that is me.
Ko.
Ko.
Yes.
Ko is re. That is right.
Right.
To write. Ko.
Okay. Ko.
It's
This one is ko.
so you know that it's the same spelling, but the
different.
àmìn ohùn that will be on top will be the one to let me know that this is what you are trying to say. You understand? So this one now is ko, and that is me.
Me.
If you put do on top like this one, now if you put it on top, that is ko. That is reject. to reject something, that is kọ̀. Then this one, ẹ̀kọ́. Orí mi wú, orí mi wú, orí mi wú. Dára, dára.
And I've done this song before now.
You've done it before, so it should be
Easy for me.
oh, oh. See, somebody is progressing. Somebody is progressing before you.
Don't be
Hey, somebody is progressing before you. You did there. You never even reach.
They watch match.
Make it, cover your face.
Oh. Hey, so that's it.
So that is all about our new tonal marks.
Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé.
So whenever you hear a, e, o, that is 7th vowel Yorùbá. A, e, o. Then this me and ne. Like, for instance, now this me now, let's say Abib. I want to give you a sample of that me, like Bim, Bona, like our king, one of our kings in Ilẹ̀-Káàrọ̀-o-jíire in Yorùbá land, Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́, one of his names is Abímbọ́lá.
Okay.
Aláàfin Abímbọ́lá Akeem Ọ̀wọ́adé.
Okay.
So this is I think his middle name. Abímbọ́lá This is Bọ́lá. So this mean now, it has been treated. It's no longer treated as a consonant sound again.
Not like vowel
It's
sound.
not like a vowel sound. But whenever it appears, whenever this me or ne appears, you can decide not to even put tonal mark on top,
Okay.
and you can put. You can put. So this is re.
Be me. Re.
This is re again.
Bo. Me. Me. That's it.
So that is, you see, it's very, 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 very simple. By the time, if you are used to it, if you used to practice it, if you start practicing it every day, like every day by day, you see that it's very, very easy. It's not hard, it's simple, just simple as ABC. Rọ àfi bí ẹ̀kọ́. Àbí àwọn fẹ́ràn ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Because me, I not hear proper Yoruba. I are using strictly, we are using both English and Yoruba to teach you. That's
It's because I know that you understand Yoruba a bit. That's why I'm trying to mix it up. And me, I don't like speaking English at all.
you don't like it too.
I don't like speaking English. So that's why I don't bother myself with my friends.
But if you have friends that speak English and come, you
I have friends that speak English. I will speak English with that person.
them, yes.
I didn't meet my brother now,
Hey,
Mr. Amave. But still yet, I will still have to force that.
Yoruba.
There's no, see, the thing is, anywhere I go, no matter the kind of language you speak, even when you don't understand my language,
You see,
I must speak that Yoruba. You must
Yes.
know that.
person a Yoruba man.
Even, not even first, as we are discussing, as we are communicating,
Chief
anything,
Yoruba.
you must know that.
You are Yoruba man.
Even if I don't speak Yoruba at all, from the way I speak, my accent,
Okay.
you know that this guy.
He's a Yoruba guy. He's a Yoruba guy.
And the thing is, I don't even care whatever people will say about maybe the
The
way I speak.
tradition.
No, I don't care.
That will be all today.
I don't care. So that's what to do. Your name is Gift. Gift
Yes.
Gift is ẹ̀bùn. So this is your assignment.
I should do what?
You put àmìn ohùn on top.
I can put it now.
Oh yeah, what is the àmìn ohùn? Oh yeah, put.
Re.
No, don't Isabel. Don't spoil my.
Boom.
For every time you see some people sit.
Stop
Don't let
now.
them laugh me also.
They will not laugh.
Somebody is Somebody is.
Do. Boom. Do.
Where you can't put this one now?
Boom.
Uh,
Is it not two letter?
is it 3?
Is 1, 2, 3. Is it 3? Is it not 2?
Is it not 3 that you are putting here? Is it
1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
This is 1, 2, 3. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta.
Okay. This one is not there. Boom.
Maybe you are confused because I said this name can also carry, but it's not in this case. When it's the way you pronounce it. Now the way this ẹ̀bùn is different from the way this àbìn Bọ́lá. Then the way you pronounce this ẹ̀bùn is different. It is ẹ̀bùn, not ẹ̀bùn.
It's actually what? Ẹ̀bùn.
Ẹ̀bùn.
It's like ẹ̀bùn.
Ẹ̀bùn.
But you know, we people who like to exaggerate. Ẹ̀bùn.
But it is
Ẹ̀bùn. Okay, that's my name.
ẹ̀bùn.
That's it.
So are you done?
I want to run. Ẹ̀bùn. Do.
Do. Now, this is your assignment now. Give you your proper assignment.
Hey, that is very interesting, Sha. I learned
Your
it.
assignments. Now, what's Yoruba word for assignments? What do you thought? Oh.
Better. Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé.
Iṣẹ́.
Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé.
Tàbí iṣẹ́ àṣetiléwá.
Oh.
You know that in this iṣẹ́ àṣetiléwá yìí, ìsòkì ọ̀rọ̀
Okay.
has occurred.
That happened here.
It's here and here also. Àmúrelé. So it is àmúrelé.
Re.
This re is supposed to be alone.
No, yeah.
Then it is not it is a. Then ilé. Then we now
Join it together.
join them together. Àsùnwọ̀n papọ̀.
Ìsókè ọ̀rọ̀.
Then àṣetiléwá also. Àṣe. Ti supposed to be.
Eating.
Then ilé also. Then wá also, but we now
Join together.
join it together. So this is what go and put. When next you are coming to this class, so this is your assignment. You must submit it.
Àṣetilé. I can peep from my window, ask you, what is the second one? You answer me. What is the second one, Uncle Tolu?
Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé, iṣẹ́ àṣetiléwá.
Iṣẹ́
So-
àṣetiléwá. That's good.
So that will be all for.
Thank you so
For today.
much, sir.
So thank you for coming to class.
Ẹ ṣé olùkọ́ mi.
See you
Ọgbọ́n ní tán
next
bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
class. Àṣẹ.
Àṣẹ Elédùmarè.
Àṣẹ. Àwíṣẹ́ àfọ̀gbọ́n.
Àwùsẹ àfọ̀gbọ́ ojúlówó Yorùbá. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ gbà mí tọwọ́ tẹsẹ̀. Ẹ̀mí á gùn fún wa.
Àwíṣẹ́.
Ìmọ̀ yín àti òye yín ò ní tán bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
Àwíṣẹ́.
Ojúlówó Yorùbá, ìkànnì àṣà, ìṣe àti èdè Yorùbá.